Bansari, you came into our lives on June 24th at 3:47 p.m. I remember the time. This was like the happiest moment of my life.
When Bansari first told me about Pratik, I was really excited for her. There was a different way in which she spoke about him, and I could tell that this was going to be something really beautiful in the long run.
Bansari, you really, really are lucky that you are getting Pratik as a life partner. He really is amazing person.
Thank you for everyone coming out. It means the world to us both.